Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get best DoorDash promo codes for existing users. Now step 1 is just open the Google on your Chrome browser or your mobile phone, doesn't really matter, and just go to the Google and search here, in this section URL couponfollow.com. Make sure to choose the website, press enter, and you will be sent to this website which is Coupon Follow, and inside this section search for a store. You can just search DoorDash, and once you search it, press enter, and you will see DoorDash promo codes like this one. As you can see, 55% off, 25% off, 40%, 40%. Now all of these codes might not be working, but you just need to scroll and check either one of them is working or one of them is not working. You can just click on show coupon code and it will be available to you in this section. You can just copy it or click on, just directly click here at this link, redeem at DoorDash, and you will be able to redeem it. Otherwise, if you want to check new codes, you can just click on go to Google and search DoorDash new promo codes, press enter, and you might see some other website. As you can see, like this website is at the top now, groupon.com, and there are some other websites which are offering the coupon codes as well, but there's no surety that those coupon codes will be working or not. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can get those promo codes or coupon codes and use it.